Good morning, students. Today we will take up another institute under the institutional support to the entrepreneurs. The very first one we will discuss is National Small Industries Corporation, जिसे हम NSIC भी बोलते हैं. It was set up in 1955 in New Delhi under the Union Ministry of Industries. The objective of NSIC is to promote and facilitate the growth of SSIs in the country. NSIC offers various benefits which include the following points as visible on your screen. The very first one is single point registration. NSIC provides single point registration for participating in government and public sector undertaking tenders. Next is information service. NSIC provides updated and latest specific information on technology and policy issues to small industries. Next, assistance in procurement of raw material. NSIC provide help to small industries in getting raw material at convenient and flexible terms. Next, satisfying credit needs of SSI. NSIC provide support to small industries in getting term loan and working capital credit limit from banks. Next, fifth benefit is performance appraisal and credit rating. NSIC provides credit rating by international agencies and thus helps in getting better credit term loans from banks and export order from foreign buyers. Last is marketing assistance. NSIC also provide marketing assistance to small industries so that they can compete with the large scale organization. So this is National Small Industries Corporation, that is NSIC. नेक्स्ट हम डिस्कस करेंगे SISI, that is Small Industries Service Institutes. This was set up in state capitals and other places all over the country. The purpose is to provide consultancy and training to small entrepreneurs, both existing as well as prospective. यानी कि जो एग्जिस्टिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं और जो बडिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं उनको ट्रेनिंग कंसल्टेंसी प्रोवाइड करने का काम करते हैं. यदि हम फंक्शंस की बात करें तो फंक्शंस ऑफ SISI इंक्लूड्स द फंक्शंस विच आर विजिबल ऑन योर स्क्रीन. Like the very first one is it serve as interface between central and state government. Next, it render technical support to the small scale industries because small scale industries are not tech savvy. So SISI helps them in procuring technology at the right time and at the right place. Next, conduct EDP, Entrepreneurship Development Program. Different SISI which are located in the state capitals, they conduct the EDP to develop entrepreneurial competency amongst the entrepreneurs. Next, initiate promotional programs. SISI initiate promotional programs for small entrepreneurs जिससे कि they can learn about marketing opportunities. Next, provide guidance. Guidance is provided for setting up their industries at the right places and in the right areas. नेक्स्ट, असिस्ट इन प्रिपेयरिंग प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट्स। प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट बनाए जाते हैं सो दैट लोन्स में बी सैंक्शनड एज वेल एज मार्केटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर करने में भी हेल्प करते हैं। नेक्स्ट, प्रोवाइड कंसल्टेंसी। SISI provide economic consultancy, information and EDP consultancy to small entrepreneurs. Next, provide information. SISI provide information related to trade and market to small entrepreneurs. Next, sports in modernization. Modernization is the need of the hour, but small industries, because of lack of funds, are not able to modernize themselves. SISI supports them in this endeavor. Next, provide workshop facilities. SISI also provide workshop facilities in different areas related to the business to the small entrepreneurs. Next and last is provide training. Small Industry Service Institute provide training related to various trade and activities to small entrepreneurs. So this is the second institute which we have discussed today, that is SISI. Thank you.